Don't want Safari to automatically fill in your name, email, or address on websites? Here's how to turn off autofill using contact info in just a few taps. Like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Next, tap on Autofill under the General section. You will see a toggle that says Use Contact Info. This is what allows Safari to use your saved personal details when filling out forms. To turn it off, simply toggle Use Contact Info to the off position. Once disabled, Safari will no longer auto-fill your name, email, phone number, or address on websites. That's it. You've successfully disabled autofill using contact info in Safari. Like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy and security settings.